This New Year's, resolve to renew you with a dental implant anchored smile from Renew and get the smile you deserve.
I said, new year, new me. I wanted to look better. I wanted to be happy with me.
If you have missing or failing teeth or suffer with your ill-fitting dentures, it's time to take care of you. Renew's hybrid approach gives patients the stability and security of dental implants with a very cost-effective denture that snaps in place.
Once you get them locked in, they don't move.
They're locked in there.
Your Renew smile locks in. It's secure.
It's absolutely worth it.
It was just wonderful. I could smile again and I could be the person that I used to be.
The people that work over at Renew, holy cow, they're freaking nice people. I don't know if I can say that word.
Come to Renew, the freaking nice center. Call 833-307-1532 or visit renewmysmile.com.